What are you worried about? I love you. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Really? Did you have good dreams? Did you have good dreams last night? Hmm? Oh, they were a little scary. I'm sorry. You're okay now. I love you. I love you too. You're my special girl. Okay. I love you. Ooh.